Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing review. Today I'm checking out the Newtral Freedom X home office chair. Our legs looks like. So this is the color for this one. Kind of a trendy looking color there, that's cool. Okay, there's looks like our piston. Okay, check out those tires on there. They're like skateboard tires on there, nice and smooth. Rubber, no sound. I wonder if I should just put these in now. So, yeah, easy way to do these is to put them in. You want like your palm over the area here and just kind of press these in here. There we go. Let's see, these are just gonna go on there like this. A little bit of a speed going on there, and that way, there we go. Just want the holes lined up so you can see the holes on the top there. Let's start these with our hands. All right, and one more. So yeah, an impact driver would have been quite a bit quicker, but sometimes I like to show the whole process just in case. So there's that. Right, this goes down in there, and that goes inside that. 3 and 4. And then the left side, do the same thing over here. Let's see here. Oops. Oh, that's cool. So they have their own little thing there. Pretty sweet. They don't have to be crazy tight, but you don't want them loose either, right? There we go. Okay. All we got left is these 4. Oh, that is solid. Nice metal there. And we got the 3 screws here on the back. We don't want it coming undone. So it does have that Loctite on there, but all right, let's get a quick close-up of all these screws here. And this is what we're working with, the left side to left, and the 4 screws here. This was put on the base with those 4. We got these 4 for the right on right, and then the 3 for the back one was right in there. If I put this in there first and then just flip it over, that might be a little easier. All right, so put this in there. Okay, and then we'll lift it up and over. Aha, that wasn't too bad. Look at that, okay. So these are extra cushion covers that we can put on here. This is the back one, so we can just put these over there like that. Oh, that's cool. And we can just take these off and wash them if we want to. With the screw, this is a screw cover, so that goes over there. Oh, that's a nice clean look there, so it covers the screws. It's got a little magnet on there that holds it on there. If you want to, pull out your laptop thing, get out your things, work on your laptop like that. Cat can be sitting here if you want to. That's pretty sweet. That's really comfortable there too. Adjust the height. You can put this up or down. Sweet. Very nice. And the right one. Let's put that on there. Okay. Good. Looks like they're both same size there. There we go. Look at that, guys. Like that. That covers it up nicely. So this way, it's really just a nice, comfortable chair. Put these up here. Just kick it on this like an office chair. And then we have down here. So that's nice and stiff right there, actually. The locking mechanism is just out, or you pull it out, unlocks it. So if I want it right here, I can lock it in there. And if I want to unlock it, just pull that out. So this lever right here, pull in and out like that, so I can lock it right there if I want to. This is nice. I like that the arms, these material can just come off. If you need to just wash it real quick, just throw that in the laundry. This is super comfy. I like how I can just put these out, and then we have this up and down. So if we push the lever here on the side, That's cool. We push this lever on the side too. It's gonna go down. If we want to, obviously, if you want to go up, just push like that. This just lifts us up all the way, and then it goes down, and that's gonna lock into place. Once it go all the way up, it's gonna lock in place with a couple clicks. If you want it to go down, lift all the way up, and then that goes down. That's just like with the chair rest. If you want to go down, lift it all the way up, and that goes down. You want to lock it in a couple different places here. Resets it, and then that's very intuitive. I like that. Everything's really easy to use. This. Let's listen to this thing. Can't hear anything because these are nice like skateboard wheels on here. Very quiet, very comfortable. I like the versatility of this. Just a very nice chair here, guys. I'm really impressed with it. So these little tabs, I'll put this up. Maybe I'll put one. I'll try to get these equidistant if I can. Just stick it on there. Okay, looks pretty good actually. So very, very sweet. If you guys are looking for a nice office chair, yeah, very comfortable, very versatile. I mean, you can always probably just like lay down on this thing, right? You have your cats. I got a couple cats. They can like lay down on the side here while you're doing your work. Always like, there's just a bunch of different ways you can sit on this thing, so it's pretty comfortable. Yeah, I like that the laptop feature here is really nice. That makes it, look at that, just kind of kick it. This is like a little wrist rest for you, so you just type out whatever you want. This is nice and stable. Different heights you can adjust it to. So yeah, put that away when you're done. Locks into place. It's pretty sweet, guys. Okay, my friends, well, final thoughts on this chair. It's super sturdy. It doesn't make a lot of it doesn't make any noise when you're rolling around. I like the wheels. They're very quiet and smooth. Everything about this seems really well built, really thought out. I like how the arms fold out and can be adjusted to different heights. The back can be adjusted. The bottom can be adjusted in or out for a nice, relaxing chair configuration, however you want it. So I'm just super happy with it, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. Hope it's helpful.